Many consider him the GOAT.But, modest as ever, Lionel Messi has insisted he's not the perfect player, while even naming the one part of his game he wants to improve. While Messi failed to raise the La Liga or Champions League trophy in 2017, he did round off the year in stunning fashion by beating old rivals Real Madrid in El Clasico to extend their cushy lead at the summit of the league table. He guided his side to an incredible 3-0 victory. Messi created and scored. He successfully converted a penalty in sublime fashion to break Bayern Munich hero Gerd Muller's long-standing record. But, despite putting away the spot kick, he feels it's the one area of his game he needs more practice on. "I want to be perfect. And yet there are some parts of my game I have to improve to reach the maximum level," Messi said. "Which part? Penalties, I have to practice them more." The Argentine ace added, "I live a perfectly normal family life. Yes, sometimes I wish I could take my family for a walk without fans stopping me at every step. It feels incredible to be a parent, a father. It is one of the best things that ever happened to me." So, there you have it, Messi wants to improve his penalty game. And he's even been reached out by Premier League legend LIKE